Panasonic TV won't turn on. When the power goes out, you need your TV to work. Sometimes your TV will shut off completely and won't turn back on. Other times, it turns on but has trouble getting a signal from your cable box or set-top box. Still other times, it might play sound but show nothing on the screen. Fortunately for you, our team of experts has a perfect solution for this problem. 1. Check remote batteries. Replace batteries in your Panasonic remote control. First, try replacing the batteries in your remote control. Panasonic recommends using alkaline batteries as they will last longer. Change them if you find there is no response from your remote when pressing buttons or if the batteries are low in charge. 2. Test random buttons on the remote. When you have a problem with your TV, first check that you are pressing the right buttons. Sometimes, unlike a remote control, the buttons on a TV do very different things. In particular, the power button is usually in an unusual place or labeled power instead of saying the word itself. This makes it easy to press the wrong one. When you're not sure which remote button to press, try a few random buttons. If the TV turns on, you will see the power light blinking or off when you are pressing the buttons. If it doesn't turn on, then your remote needs to be replaced. 3. Use a different power outlet. Be sure your television is plugged into a wall outlet, not a surge protector or extension cord. Your television might not receive enough electricity to turn itself on. If you have a brand new TV that won't turn on, try plugging it into a different wall outlet. If you're using a surge protector or extension cord with your TV, make sure that the cord is connected directly to an outlet and not to the surge protector. 4. Do a power reset. When a Panasonic TV behaves weirdly, the best option is to turn it off and then on again. This power cycle can reset the TV and clear up any minor problems. Another method to try if the TV is not turning on is powering reset. To power reset, unplug the TV from the wall outlet for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in and turn the TV on. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.